So there are different types of dentures on implants. And we have those dentures that are placed on maybe 8 implants, but you have 16 teeth where we restore to 14 teeth. So you might have a bridge and then implant on the abutment. So in some areas on a roundhouse, you might not have an implant for each tooth. That's called the roundhouse. And most of the times that is fixed and does not come out of the mouth. And we can do fixed roundhouse for the upper and the lower. It is difficult to maintain the cleanliness for fixed prosthesis, roundhouse prosthesis. So we recommend using a water pick and other adjuncts for maintaining good oral hygiene so you can have your implants forever.